All right, a carnival ride moves at a constant speed in a vertical circle. If the riders are feeling 0.85 Gs inverted at the top, what Gs do they feel at the bottom, and what is the actual centripetal acceleration of the ride in Gs? Be sure to answer both questions. Okay, so here's this. That's a pretty good circle, right? Remember that the ride is accelerating down at the top, the ride is accelerating up at the bottom. In general, it's accelerating toward the center, right? That's concept 0. And then the 0.85 G is inverted. That means that what they're feeling is a downward G force, right? Okay. In general, it's what you feel is equal to 1G plus whatever the ride is doing. Okay. Okay, so we feel an inverted G force, so 0.85 G's, and I'm putting the minus sign. That's inverted, right? And by the way, inverted just means that you could stand on this ride and you would feel almost normal. You'd feel 85% as heavy as you normally do. The ride, you wouldn't fall off the ride. It's accelerating down so fast that it would hold you on the ride, just like the bucket of water, right? Okay, let's see. So that equals 1G plus the ride. Okay. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that the ride is accelerating down at the top at negative 1.85 Gs. I think that works, right? 1 G plus negative 1.85 is negative 0.85, right? Okay. So the ride is accelerating at 1.85 Gs. The reason it's negative at the top is that, of course, it's always negative. It's accelerating toward the center, right? Okay. And then let's see. What do they feel at the bottom? At the bottom, what we feel is 1G plus the ride. So that's 1G plus. And then the ride at the bottom, notice it's negative at the top, right? At the bottom, it's positive 1.85, okay? Because at the bottom, we're accelerating up. We're accelerating toward the center. So that's going to be 2.85 Gs. Boy, I hope we got that right. The ride is 1.85 Gs. And yeah. All right.